This is what Leonardo DiCaprio quoted when he got his recent Oscar award. Climate change is real. It is happening right now. We need to work collectively together and stop procrastinating this issue.
We are targeting a global crisis, climate change. According to a UN report, the major contributors to this crisis are anthropogenic causes or human-related causes.
As all of us know, carbon dioxide is an important greenhouse gas as regulated under the Kyoto Protocol and constitutes about 76% of the greenhouse gases present in the atmosphere.
We present to you carbon sinks, which we believe is the solution to the crisis which threatens the survival of all the species on Earth.
Rise in carbon dioxide levels results in substantial increase in global temperature levels. At an individual level, we can reduce our carbon footprint while aiming at a sustainable existence.
A few features of our app are user-friendly UI. It calculates the monthly carbon footprint of an individual by just inputting a few validations such as LPG electricity consumption, travel inputs, etc. It can scan the barcode of an electronic device and calculate its CF. It locates on Google Maps and gives information of green stores in one's region.
Carbon Sinks aims to 1. Reduce the individual carbon footprint, which helps in reducing the total effect of global warming. 2. To create awareness among people about the graveness of this situation. 3. To show that India works hand in hand with the rest of the world in reducing the problem and not creating it. Our app targets the Indian market at present, which we have divided into two broad categories, that is the urban sector and the rural sector. We target the urban sector with the people in the age group of 15 to 50 years old.
According to a market survey, 10 out of 10 people would like to contribute towards a healthier planet but aren't aware of the ways to do it. So, our app Carbon Sinks does that for them. After calculating the user's carbon footprint, it also tells the user some tips and assigns missions which gradually decreases their carbon footprint. It also enlists the green stores in one's locality. To keep the users motivated, the app provides the user with gift vouchers and goodies to the premium members having the lowest carbon footprint of the month.
Our company revenue has three main sources: premium membership subscription fee, commission on sales from Green Store, and premium listing in Green Stores. Our app has a premium membership subscription fee which costs ₹20 per person per month. We plan to tie up with Green Stores and get a commission of 10% on total sales value. Also, Green Stores can get a premium listing in the featured list for a nominal fee. Hence, our total estimated revenue for 1 year is about 10 lakh rupees.
Our marketing strategy focuses on web search engine optimization, spreading awareness through social media posts such as Facebook pages, Twitter handles, Google Plus pages, active blogging, etc. We also plan to have tie-ups with corporates as a part of their CSR strategy or their corporate social responsibility strategy. We also plan to have ties with dramatic societies for conducting street plays for awareness.
And we are Green Label!
Let's
Paint
the
world green!